What is a death rattle? Hi, I'm KB, a mortuary sciences student, and this term is commonly heard in the field. A death rattle is a distinct, gurgling, or rattling sound that occurs in a deceased person's throat when they can no longer clear secretions like saliva or mucus. It happens because the body's ability to swallow or cough is completely dissipated, causing fluids to accumulate in the airways. This sound is often heard in the final hours or days of life, so it's a common occurrence to hear when transporting the body from the site of death or in the morgue. It often scares newbie funeral service workers frequently, including myself when I first started doing all this. I'll never forget the first time I heard one. So,